From above, our planet seems hauntingly tranquil. Yet every mountain range and canyon is a scar, each telling the tale of a time when the Earth trembled to life. Earthquakes felt around the globe are recorded on all 7 continents, but most occur in just 3 key regions: the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, an underwater spine running through the Atlantic Ocean; the Alpide Belt, stretching from the Mediterranean to Southeast Asia; and the Circum-Pacific Belt, which outlines the edges of the Pacific Ocean, where approximately 80% of all earthquakes happen. These areas are hotspots for seismic activity, driven by the unseen forces beneath the surface. Earthquakes stem from pressure, specifically the immense stress building up in the Earth's crust. This stress can arise from volcanic activity, or in some cases, human actions. However, the primary cause of this pressure is the relentless movement of tectonic plates. These colossal slabs of the Earth's crust are in constant motion, shifting against, away from, or beneath one another. At times, their edges catch and become stuck, yet the plates continue their relentless push. The energy from this stubborn movement builds up until it's released suddenly, causing the plates to slip and the ground to shake. This explosive release of energy fractures the crust, sending shock waves through the Earth and generating powerful vibrations, what we call earthquakes. The most seismically active regions are where these geologically dynamic plates converge. When seismic activity strikes, it's recorded by seismographs. As the ground shakes, these instruments oscillate, tracing a jagged line that reflects the intensity of the movement. The more intense the quake, the taller the spikes in the recorded line. Various scales exist to measure this seismic strength, but the moment magnitude scale is favored by seismologists. Unlike the now obsolete Richter scale, the moment magnitude scale is limitless and operates logarithmically, meaning each step up represents 10 times the energy of the one before. The largest earthquake ever recorded struck near the border of Bolivia and Chile in 1960. The Valdivia earthquake, a colossal event in the Circum-Pacific Belt, reached a staggering magnitude of 989.5. Not only did it unleash devastating tremors, but it also triggered a tsunami that soared up to 80 feet, racing across the Pacific and impacting distant shores like the Philippines and Japan. Remarkably, data from seismographs indicated that the shock waves from the Valdivia earthquake continued to reverberate around the planet for days. In response to the threat of earthquakes, many communities have adapted with innovative strategies. Buildings and bridges are designed to sway, absorbing the shock rather than collapsing. Public education programs teach residents how to protect themselves during quakes, while government officials conduct drills to ensure community readiness. Though earthquakes can inflict tremendous destruction, they also sculpt our planet's remarkable features, adding depth and character to the world we inhabit.